Got this '04 Audi with a 4.2. It's a Quattro. Today we're gonna be just taking the tranny out. I didn't see any videos. I'm not gonna show you every step. I'm just gonna show you the actual removal. That's all you're gonna see in this video. More than I've seen in any other videos. Thanks for watching, and I hope this is helpful. If it is, hit the like button. If not, I don't know what to tell you. All right, got a jack under it. Might as well take this last bolt out and see what the fuck happens. I didn't see it settle a lot like I was hoping it would. But we don't know yet. Let's just see if I can find a good pry point. Right here. Oh yeah, we're free. Yeah, look at this side, just asking to come down already. I think that side needs to stay up. Pretty sure it needs to rotate out. I just didn't know if you want to be over here. There's a lot going on.
I will come over.
Do I get back there now?
That's fine. I've done worse with you.
I'm just scared to rotate it this way without this on the side. These wires are clear.
This gets unplugged up here.
All right.
It's this wire here.
And I don't know if this will fit down through here or not. That's what we need, is this to go, I think, through here, and then we can lower it down pretty fast. Just keep rotating it.
It's rotated.
This
Yeah.
side's not coming down. This is not. We gotta spin this out so this side will come down. Alright, this side's starting to come down. Where's your red pry bar at, Dylan? It needs to be
That's
out.
all rolled down.
Oh, I see it. Here, hold that one just in case you need one. Prying this side axle shaft thing out right here. Alright. Make sure these lines ain't getting bent up. This wire.
Tranny is not on the jack no more, Dylan.
Alright, me and Dave are gonna come back here. Alright, there we go. That's a lot better. Alright. I don't wanna let the jack down right now. This is the wire stuck in here. Sorry, I just wanna get this wire out so I don't crash it. I think we're good to go down now. We gotta go back a little, I think.
Bring it back.
Alright, let me pry it back. Right there. Alright, we can lower it down some. Alright, this axle's fighting me. Alright, there we go. I look clear over here.
We're still hanging. Something over there, Dylan.
It's right here. It's just right here. That'll be empty.
Can you move it?
Now,
Here's a pry bar.
it's a lot. It's a lot of.
Dylan, tranny spot.
Alright, let's do that.
Right out.
Yes. Alright. It's close here on this side now too, Dave. It needs to come down. Like that. There you go. Okay. That was easy.
Piece of cake.
I'm glad.
Dylan, when you put the other unit on, this long part, push this way. You get more tip out. That's the long screw, so that's the way you get your
I'm not
most tip.
fucking with that till after lunch. There's no way. I don't have it in me. For the record.
Get a table.
We gotta get a table anyway. He's gotta switch some parts over. We got this Audi back in. It was kind of a pain in the ass. We had it in the shop for at least 3 days. Just taking one out and putting one in. The differential fills right in front of the passenger side axle. It takes gear oil, and then there's a standpipe, 17 millimeter, you fill up in the bottom with ATF. We got done with this. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit the, I'm gonna put a couple videos up over here. Hope you like them. Hit the subscribe button if you found it helpful. That'd be appreciated. Thanks a lot, guys, and on to the next one.